Hello, welcome back to Mindshift Mechanics. Have you heard of VBA, known as Visual Basic Application? It's basically the coding behind macros. For instance, here I have the item number in column C, and if I hit run, let's see some magic happen. What this has done, it looked at my PO log and identified all the POs that have a status of open and matched this item number. Simultaneously, it looked at column C to find all the historical suppliers, and for column D, it will identify all the open quantity associated with the open POs. This is the magic of VBA to streamline your work, and I'm really curious, if you had the opportunity to utilize this coding, how would you use it and how would you modify it? If I can get 200 subscribers and 200 likes, this coding will be shared with you, and please don't hesitate to ask any questions in the comments. Thank you and look forward to the next session.